good morning. I left my fold down table halfway finished in the last video, so I'll try and finish it in this one. Enjoy! Already got his nose holes and some other details. Now I got his nose more or less. Okay, so you may see that snout coming out a little bit. And then I got one more print out for the eyes and the eyebrows. Okay, I got it all together now, as you can see, and normally you never see the back of it because it's going to be glued up, but just to spoil it a little bit, that doesn't look as nice as the front, but at least you've had a look at it. So everything has been glued. And let me see. Okay, and the next step is a piece of laminate at the back, because you have to imagine this will be the front facing part that you can see, but in use it will pivot down like this, and this will be the surface. So I want to protect the surface with a piece of laminate. So we're going to cut that to size. Okay, now some contact cement. I haven't got much left, so I hope now I'm going to look. That's good. So now I'm going to route the formica. Now I'm working on the edging of the entire table surface. I want to give them a 45-degree angle at the end. So got a special jig for that. With one end done, I'm starting now at the other end. Roughly cut it to size, oversized, And now I'm just edging into it, so every time I take a sliver off of it until it, and fit it, come back, take another sliver until it fits. So I've done the top and bottom. Now I have to fill in the sides. So then do the corners as well. I know this is glued sufficiently, but the corners are always the weak spots. So what I'll do is I'll make a saw cut in each corner and put a splice in it just to make it stronger. So that's why I got this jig here. I got the blade at the height of the splice, or at least a little bit lower than the splice. Put this here in this corner. I'll do it this way. And cut through the corner. Now you can see where the saw blade went through, and then with the splice I put it in like that, sand it off, and you won't see anything, or hardly anything. Okay, I sanded it smooth. Started with 80 grit, 120 and 220, and I think that's more than sufficient. It's very smooth now. And what I'll do is do some cleaning, and after it's been cleaned and dried, I'll apply several coats of polyurethane on it. Now the final step, and that's to put some polyurethane on it. I use polyurethane, but then a little bit thinned out. I find that easy to apply. After about 6 or 7 layers of polyurethane, I call it quits. And now it's time at least to show, because I'm going to install it a little bit later. This is the back of my toilet, and this will be positioned probably around here. The table works like this. It just folds down. Quite simple. Can put it's the size is right for my induction cooktop if necessary, and just in case I planned a outlet. This is an exterior one, at least an exterior cover. I planned an outlet in this approximate location, so I'll still have to find out where I want to place it. And that's easy for use in combination with the cooktop as well. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.